A temporada de deporte ha começado e forma parte de sport e participar tá algo leuk e sano.
Keep physical fitness for children a positive experience.
Dr. Elizabeth Davis ha comentado que miho manera para você mostrar interesse de deporte tá para la quis e deporte que nanta desea.
If a child sees on TV gymnastics or figure skating or football and they decide, I want to try that, let them try that. Sign them up for a few lessons and see if they like it. If they like it, great, they can stick with it. If they don't like it, then it's something that you don't have to sign them up for the next season, and then they can move on to something else.
Tem parte mucho que gusta sport e depois de tempo não tá perde interesse. Dr. Davis ha comentado que ora não perde interesse, tá é dever de mayornan para motivar na you.
You really should encourage your child, unless they're in a dangerous situation or they're getting hurt or you're really concerned for their safety, that they really do need to finish the season.
E mientras no toda gente tá bom de trabajar em equipo, Dr. David ha comentado que o tempo viaja tá bom para muchanan é deporte que tá mais individual, como el andamiento, golf ou tennis.
You're still going to see the same benefits from a health perspective because they're still having to practice, they're still having to exert themselves and get that physical activity.
Mit Fabiola Angela-Hernandez, Padre Noticia.